Do you think what happened in Nepal can happen in India?
I think what happened in Nepal was the choice of Nepali people. There was corruption going on. If you look at the per capita income of Nepal, then it is around $1,100, whereas in India we have around $2,500 per capita income. So overall, the Nepal's economy was crumbling down. The people were dissatisfied with the political leadership. We can see that there may be dissatisfaction in India, but it is not to that level that we might turn into our streets.
I think so. It can happen in India because considering our demographic dividend, the amount of youth which is unemployed and depressed by the authorities and like facing issues from the authorities is a very huge number. So I think if the circumstances and the political scenario shifts towards that way and the youth gets ragified, so I think that kind of situation might happen in our country also.
You got a point somewhere, but I don't think that would actually happen on that scale. Right?
Okay.
The youth is actually quite irresponsible in this country.
हो सकता है जिस तरीके से ये सरकारें कर रही हैं तानाशाही पे उतर आती हैं कभी कभी, या फिर अभी भारत में तो हम देख ही रहे हैं बीजेपी की चीजें, और लेकिन भारत एक काफी बड़ा देश है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग लोग बटे हुए हैं, तो यहाँ पे होना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है.
Firstly, the government right now is quite stable here in India as compared to the entire subcontinent. So I'm not hoping of such incidents in the future. But also students should demonstrate their rights to vote, and also for the very thing that the entire Nepal protest came for, to stand against corruption. As in students body should lead forward towards the battle against corruption.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.